spaghetti in Filipino style. But before we start cooking, I'll be explaining you guys the ingredients I'll be using today. So first we got our sausage, ground beef, garlic, onion, oregano leaves, and bay leaves, tomato sauce, and spaghetti, and salt and pepper. So the first step is we're going to fill up this pot with water to cook the pasta in. This is what the pot looks like, and we will wait to boil it, and then when it starts boiling, we can put the pasta in. So now our water is boiling, so we can add our pasta in. So now our pasta is inside there. We will let it cook for 7 minutes. So it's been 7 minutes, so I'll be turning off the stove now, and we will be straining the water. In the same pot, I will be making my spaghetti sauce again. So now I have my stove open, I will be putting some olive oil inside the pot. So after the olive oil is hot, I will be going to saute garlic and onion. So now we can add our onions in. So we'll be waiting for onion to turn into golden brown. So after that, we'll be adding our ground beef. Now we can add our ground beef. So we will let the ground beef cook before we add our tomato sauce. So now we can add our tomato sauce in. After adding our tomato sauce, we'll be adding some bay leaves and oregano leaves, and then salt and pepper. So after sitting the tomato sauce, we'll be adding our sausage. So now it's cooked and tastes good. We'll be adding some cheddar cheese in.